Hello everyone, I hope all are doing great and sorry for the late video because I was very busy at some works. Thanks for understanding. And right now you are going to learn about one topic which is related to X++ coding. There is a change actually. There is one change in the X++ coding, related to the super keyword. So today we are going to discuss about that. So let's go ahead. I'm going to override any method here. Take it as like, let's say you can take it as any method, so it is applicable for all the methods. Okay, so as people know, and as we know that we can write the code before super and after super, that's common. So now the changed functionality is there is, you can comment the super keyword and also you can write the code wherever that you want. Okay, super keyword is not necessary now. I mean, super keyword is not mandatory. So in earlier version, super keyword is for sure mandatory. If there is no super keyword, you cannot able to build the code, means you cannot able to compile the code. But right now in recent versions of F&O, no need of using the super keyword. So super keyword is not mandatory. So let me just compile it and show it to you, as this is not at all a mandatory option. So as I mean, quickly, if I wanted to tell about this, super keyword is used to call the parent method to execute. So that is the main importance of super keyword. But right now that is really not mandatory to use this keyword. See, build is also completed, means compilation is done successfully without super keyword. So this is what like changed in recent X++ coding. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.